Hi friends, today we shall discuss date arithmetic. Supports arithmetic operations on dates. Only addition and minus are supported. Results will be calculated in terms of days. Examples. So let us try these examples in Oracle SQL environment. Let us type here C M. So you can get command prompt. Right click on it. Run as administrator. Say as maximize this and type SQL plus / as SYSDBA. So SQL is connected successfully. Let us clear the screen. So let us try these examples. Select sysdate, sysdate plus 10, sysdate minus 10 from dual. Copy and paste. So you can see select sysdate is today's date 16 Jan 2020 plus 10 26 Jan minus 10 6 Jan 2020. We shall go to the next example. Select ename hire rate, sysdate minus hire rate divided by 365 experience in years from employee. So here you can see experience in years. Let us set the page size and line size. Set page size to 150 and set line size to 150. So this is valid for a particular session. So that we need to set this every time when we start the Oracle environment. So now let us try once again this command. Share to clear screen. So now you can see ename, hire date, and experience in years, which are good. Where date plus number is valid, date minus number is valid, date minus date is valid, date plus date error invalid operation. Round and trunk on dates. Examples. Let us try these examples. Copy, clear screen. We select round sysdate, sysdate, round sysdate, month, sysdate, year from dual. So here you can see round, it is showing sysdate 19 Jan 2020, month February, and year 20. We shall go to the next example. Trunk, that is trunk. Copy and paste. So here you can see trunk, it is showing 12th Jan 2020. Trunk is 1st Jan 2020 month and 1st Jan 2020. So this is how trunk works. Day, month, year are keywords. Date conversion formats: DD 09 or 28, DDD 99 or 118, day of the year 1 to 365. DY is Sat Thursday THU, DAY Saturday Thursday full, MM is 04, MON is APR April, MONTH month is APRIL April, YY is only 2 digit, last 2 digit number, YY is 2011, full 4 digit year, year 2011, Y year 2011, HH is 07, HH in 12 format is 19, HH in 12 format is 7, HH in 24 format is 19, minutes 01, seconds 24, CC is 21st century, quarter 1 to 4, Wednesday, WW is 14 17, week of the year, W is W2 week of the month. SP spell out. DDSP is 8 AM or PM. 2 char D output format returns character used to convert the given date into character in specified format. Format indicates into which it has to be converted. Example: copy and paste. Select to char date DDMMY as milliseconds from dual. So you can see today's date 16/1/2020 and time is 12:23:19 seconds, 12:20 p.m. We shall go to the next example. Copy and paste. Select to char date, day, month, year from dual. So 16th Thursday, January 2020. It shows the full date. We shall go to the next example. Copy. Let us clear the screen and paste. It's showing 16. This is the 16th day of 365 days or 366 when it is leap year. So today it is showing 16. Now let us come to the next example. Select ename hire date to char hire date day weekday from employee. So their weekdays it shows the weekdays when they were hired. 17th November 81 was Tuesday. 83 like this the weekday is shown here. Now let us come to the next example. Employees who joined on Monday only. Select, copy and let us clear the screen. Paste. Select star from employee where trim upper to char hire rate day is equal to Monday. Only one employee has joined on Monday, that is Martin. Now you shall come to the next example. Select to char sysdate cc quarter www dds from dual. Copy and paste. So you can see select char cc century 21st century. To char sysdate give quarter is 1. To char ww this is the third week. W is the third week of the month. And DDSP is 16 from sys date. Today is 16 date. Input to date C comma input format returns date in standard format of Oracle DDMONYY used to convert the given character into date. Format indicates how the character value is provided. Example: here you can see select to date 21st 12 as MMDDYY 25th December 12 2012 it is showing as 12. Now let us come to the next example. Copy and paste. Select to date 100 comma DD from dual. So it's showing 9th April 2020. Let us come to the next example. Let us clear the screen. Select to date 1056 mm DDMM PM. So this is date 21st April 2011. That is 21st April 11. Now let us come to This error select months between from 12. This gives an error. It is not a valid month. So let us try this. It gives an error. Let us see the error. It's error, not a valid month. ORA 01843, not a valid month. Now we shall see this one. Next example. Select months between to date 2005 2020 to DDMMYY to date 10/05 MMDDYY. So you can see in months 175 months. This is the answer. The user to date Oracle to care user input server and output. Example, and we now we shall try example. We shall create a table. First we shall clear the screen. CLSCR, clear the screen. Drop the table student 1 drop drop table 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 student dent student 1. So table does not exist. CLSCR, clear screen. Now we shall create the table student 1. Copy and paste. So you can see table has been created. Now we need to insert the values. First we insert into student values. Copy and paste. Enter one row created. Second column, another, inserting another record. So two rows have been created. Now we shall come to the next third row. After that we shall insert the another value. One row created. Again we shall insert, copy and paste. One or two hurry is created. Now we shall insert the another row. Copy and paste. You can see one row created, not three. Copy and paste. 104 row has been created. Note, default notation. If year is less than or equal to 49, it considers the current century. Example 23 is considered as 2023. If year is greater than 49, it considers previous century. Example 65, 19, it considers it as 1965. Note, to underscore date converts the given input standard date format, that is DDMONYY. Now we shall create another example. Clear the screen. Select SCLECT, select star from student 1. Student 1. So here you can see 101, 102, 103, 101, 102, 304. and birthday 19th October. Let's clear the screen. Now we shall create a table called temp. First we shall drop the table temp if it exists. Drop drop table 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 temp temp. Okay, table was existing. Let us clear the screen. Let us create the table. Create table temp C1 number and C2 date and C table created. We shall insert these records. Copy and paste. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records have been inserted. Now to select star from temp. Copy CLR. Clear the screen. Copy and paste. Select star from temp. You can see C1 and C2. Now we shall try these examples. Select star. Showing no rows selected. Select star from temp where city is equal to sys date. Showing no rows selected. Though today is sys day 16 January, but it's showing no rows selected. As I've given here no rows. Now I shall try with this example. Copy and paste. It is showing two rows. Select star from temp where city is equal to 16 Jan 20. It is showing two rows. Now I shall use this example. Select star from temp where to date C2 is equal to date sys date. It is showing all the 4 records. I shall try this one. This example. Copy and paste. Showing all the rows. Select star from temp where to underscore date C2 is equal to underscore date 16 Jan 2020. Note 2 underscore date eliminates the time value and compares only date information. Now we shall come to the inserting time. Select sysdate from dual. If we do, it shows 16 Jan 2020. Select ename higher date from dual. Changing the system date format. Valid only per session. So we shall do this command alter session set copy and paste. Session altered. Alter session set NLS data format is equal to DDMON YY HH24 MI SS seconds, hours in 24 hours, minutes and seconds. So now we shall try. NLS is national language set. Select ename higher date from employee employ employee. Save it. Copy. Clear the screen. So select ename higher date. Time is showing in 00 format. This is the time. And let us try another example. Copy and paste. Select sysdate from dual. So now you can see 16 Jan 2020 12:37:37 12:37 12:30 it is 12:37 p.m. and 37 seconds. So this ends the date functions. Tomorrow we shall discuss with another functions, that is group or aggregate functions. Group or aggregate functions. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.